Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a little follow me around like self-care Sunday type video. I've seen this going around on YouTube a lot lately and I personally love them. Sundays are just the best days and I love to like do our grocery shop, we do our washing, we clean the house, meal prep, all that kind of stuff. And watching other people do that on their channel as well makes me super motivated as well. So I thought I would film that for you guys today and do like a little follow me around type thing. If you can hear the washing in my background, I'm sorry, but that is one of the main things we do on a Sunday. But yeah, it is 9:30 in the morning. So I don't really know how to begin this video, but basically on a Sunday, it's the only day that Andy and I actually have together. I work on Saturdays and he works Monday to Friday in his design job. So Sundays are a bit different for us. We do have to do like general cleaning of the house and washing, groceries, and all that kind of boring adult stuff. But we also try to get out and about and like go for a nice hike or go for lunch or whatever it may be. So we literally have no plans for today. We're just gonna see how we feel, what the weather's like, and that kind of thing. But yeah, it's usually a mixture between like getting stuff done and adventuring outside. So yeah, I will take you guys along with us. The washing is probably just about to beep now, so we'll go hang that out and then let's see what we get up to for the rest of the day. The washing is now done and now we're off to have a little beach walk. Around this time every Sunday we do go for a beach walk. It's like 10 a.m. We go for like a long walk up to the hill. It's about an hour and a half walk, maybe like 5 or 6 Ks. Not too far, but just like a good way to get out in the fresh air. We live right by the beach, so we're very, very lucky. So we sometimes go for like a little beach walk or beach swim depending on the weather. Okay, change of plans guys. We're no longer going for our little beach walk that we usually do around our little suburb. We went for like half the walk and then decided, you know what, we're gonna go for a drive because it's a nice day to go for a drive. So we're heading down to St Kilda. If you're from Victoria or Australia, you've probably heard of St Kilda. Even if you're from overseas, St Kilda is like tourist capital in Melbourne. It just has such beautiful beaches and just like has such a cool vibe. So we're gonna go there and grab some lunch, go for a little beach walk. But comment below if you guys have been following us for a while, because we actually used to live there for 3 years, I think. Yeah. Yep.
If you're asking me, yeah.
Yeah, it was the first place we ever lived together and it was just such a fun place to live, so close to the city and that kind of thing. So we're just doing a little like half-day trip down there today. Gonna get some lunch and yeah, I'm really excited. So we're just currently sitting in the park eating some lunch. We have the weirdest array today. We've got some Macca's fries because I was really craving them. A frozen Coke no sugar because McDonald's has just brought this out and it's my favorite thing ever. Get on it if you love frozen Coke but don't want all the sugar. And then we also got Subway for lunch. So we're just going to sit in the park, eat this, and then go for a little beach stroll. So we just got back from our little day trip to St Kilda now. It is, I think it's like 3 o'clock. Yeah, 2:58 p.m. So basically that's kind of what we do like every Sunday. We wake up, go for a nice walk along the beach, and just like kind of get out in nature for the first few hours of the day. And then we like to come home and be productive little adults. So I'm just drinking an afternoon coffee at the moment because I live on coffee. It is my favorite thing ever. Andy's gonna take a little nap. But I've just got my laptop here. I don't want to show you too much because I'm working on the recipe ebook. So I'm so excited to bring that out. Andy and I are actually creating it together because he is a graphic designer and I obviously am writing all the recipes. So we're working together to try and make it as perfect as we possibly can. So I'm going to work on this for a few hours. I'm also going to have a little treat. So I have this little box of goodies that a company called Shelby's actually sent me. They sell them in Woolies if you're in Australia, and they're my absolute favorite bars. But they sent me a box of the peppermint peanut butter, coconut and lemon ones, or peanut butter, coconut and dark choc. I think I'm gonna have this one today because I had the lemon one yesterday, but I'm just gonna have this, drink my coffee and continue working on the ebook. One thing I did want to mention about the food before, I didn't want to film in public because I'm really awkward, but on a Sunday we try to eat like back to our normal routine, but sometimes when we're out and about we do get like takeaways for lunch and that kind of thing, and I don't really worry about it too much. On a Saturday night we usually get takeaway and then sometimes on a Sunday lunch, but other than that, like, we eat very healthy and meal prep and that kind of thing. So yeah, I know a lot of people just do like cheat day Saturdays kind of thing, but we still eat like healthy breakfast, lunch and snacks on Saturdays. It's only dinner that we tend to, you know, be a little bit more naughty, and then sometimes on Sunday as well if we're just out and about. We did get Subway, so it's not too bad, but then I really crave the Macca's fries as you saw. So yeah, but now I'm back on the balance wagon. Gotta work on the ebook, gonna do the grocery shopping. Hopefully we'll go to the gym tonight if we can be bothered. We're both sick, so not really sure how we'll feel. But yeah, I'm gonna stop blabbing and get some work done.
Good, how are you?
First rule in, what's it called? What is it called? First rule in acting, don't look at the camera. Someone saw us in the hallway, so we're really awkward. What are you little boys doing? Sniffing all the food? Where do you want the chewy?
In my mouth.
So you probably saw that we just got back from doing the grocery shop. I actually filmed an entire grocery haul and my tips and tricks on like budgeting for your groceries every week. So that video will probably be up after this vlog. So keep an eye out for that. It'll be up the week after. But yeah, I didn't show you guys what we picked up because you'll have to watch the video. But now we're just going to do a little at-home workout. So I've got my gym gear on and I'm about to do my Happy Way fat burner, like pre-workout kind of thing. So I've got my Happy Way cup and the dragon fruit flavor of this one. It smells so good. It's a fat burner. I don't actually know if it like fully helps with burning fat, not really sure. But it's also like a little pre-workout and it just tastes really good, honestly, and it makes me drink a lot more water. So we're gonna do this and then I'm gonna take Andy through a little at-home app circuit. We do usually go to the gym on Sunday nights, but we just have so much to do at home tonight. So we're gonna do like a little 15-minute workout and then I'll show you guys what we're cooking for dinner.
or you're gonna have to go upstairs.
So we just finished doing our little workout. Wow, I look very tan compared to you.
Well, yeah, I shouldn't be in this.
That's right. So Andy is currently boiling the kettle because we're going to make spaghetti bolognese.
Is that a question?
Yeah. Is that what we decided?
Yeah.
Alright. I was going to make us meatballs, but honestly it's 7:30 and we still haven't booked our Bali accommodation. We haven't done any of the ebook work, and I just feel like I'm like a little bit behind on our Sunday because I've been like worrying about vlogging and stuff. So
You'll be alright there.
I think I'm like I'm my world's worst critic. I need to stand back. There we go. So we're gonna make dinner, and I'm also gonna make my meal prep at the same time. That is actually gonna be annoying. Can you please turn the kettle off?
You told me to do it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Now you're behind.
Thank you. But one thing I wanted to say about the little workout that we just did, I'm in PJs now, sorry. Working out on a Sunday is very, like, beneficial to us, hey?
Yeah.
Like, I like working out on a Sunday. It gets us, like, ready for the week. We don't work out on Mondays because I work, like, 10 hours on my feet, so by the time I get home, I'm pooped. So Sunday is kind of like the start of the week for us, and I like to just get in a good workout. Nothing too crazy. That was literally 20 minutes of like an ab workout, and that was all. But it was just good to like get a sweat on, do some exercise. Why are you laughing?
You're just holding...
Like just like bashing the capsicums against each other. Anyway, the other thing that is important to me on a Sunday is meal prepping and making a healthy dinner. So we're not making the healthiest dinner tonight.
We're just making food.
As you can see, I just couldn't be bothered, but I'm going to make chicken pitas for meal prep, so I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse. I'm going to chop up some onions, some capsicum, chicken, do it all up, and let's make chicken fajitas. Yum yum, me 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 me.
Onion is one of the best things. Yeah. I think that I need one of the best things, and I was like, it's pretty good. Still on your massage time. What do I do now? This? Can I cut the chicken? What do I do with this? I'll do this. I'm just going to leave on that
Alright, so we have our dinner ready. Little meatballs. A big bowl of meatballs. And we've got mini cans of Pepsi Max. So we're just going to enjoy this, and I'm going to finish making the fajitas, like the wraps and stuff. But then basically all we do for the rest of Sunday is obviously shower because we're stinky after the day we just had. Then I will usually just try and chill out and like zone out for the rest of the night. Usually at like maybe 7 or 8 o'clock I'll take my shower or have a bath, and I just like dim all the lights, make it all like dark and cozy in here, get out a blanket, and we either watch a movie on a Sunday night, or sometimes we just like binge watch a couple of episodes of a TV show, depending what we're vibing. But basically just chilling out is what we like to do on Sunday nights to make sure we're in like the right mindset for the week ahead. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. My food is going cold, but I do hope that you did enjoy this video. I love watching these videos from other people, so I hope that it helped you guys and helped you get like motivated and want to be productive for the week ahead. So yeah, give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.